Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Ari Boy, and today is going to be my second video. And I am excited for this one because I am finally show you guys something I've been working on in Figma. And if you're new to design or you are just curious about what UX designer actually do, this video is for you. And I'm going to walk you through the basic part of design in Figma, the same steps I took when I started learning. And so we are going to break it down into different parts. So we were talking about Figma. We're talking about something simple stuff like how to set up your frames, how to use shapes and text, and how to organize your layout, and just getting comfortable with the tools. So nothing crazy, nothing too advanced, just the foundation you need to before you start creating real designs. And I am also going to show you one of my own projects and explain why I made certain choices and give you tips that helped me when I first began. Think of this as a beginner friendly guide mixed with my personal workflow. So if you're trying to learn Figma, improve on your design skills, or you just want to see how I build things from scratch, stay tuned, hit that like button, and let's jump right to it. Let's get it. We are back again to Figma. So this is Figma, and these are all the tools and the things that I've been using on my project as a UX designer. So if you're new or you are not new to Figma, so this is for you. But if you are not new to Figma, then I guess everything is all right. So, but if you are new to Figma, you don't really know much about UX design. So this is what we do. So I just want to show some of the basic things I've been learning Figma. So I want you guys to stay up well, feel good, learn, grow together, and everything is going to be all right. So let's get started. So in my Figma, so these are some of the tools that I'll be using. So these are some of the frameworks like desktops. We have foam, tablet, desktop, presentation, watch, paper, and so many things that you're going to create. And these are all the tools you see. So from that one, so let me start with the basic of framework. So if I want to create a frames, so the first thing I do is I'm going to type of any of those cursors tools here. So this is the framework that is F. So I'm going to click on it. Then I'll draw a this thing shows this. So this is the framework that I started. Um, I just want to start with the basics. So from there, I start with the framework. I do this. Then from there, um, I get like text. I type the text and I click it. Let's talk about um, let's say skyscraper as my title, for example. Let me just say skyscraper. So you have to make sure that everything is aligned. So you have to make sure that everything is aligned. So you just drag the cursor, make sure everything is aligned. You see there's red stuff, so you have to be like this. Or if you want to check your spacing, your alignment, you gotta click on your option key, or the option key, then use your arrow or your keypad just to move it, just to move the arrow, just to know which side, number of spacing size that you want to do. So let me put it to, let me just say uh, 10 for now. It's okay. So this is the text. So this is the typography. You can change your font size. You click on enter. then move up this. Okay, okay, let me this is what I used to use on my anytime I design. Let me click poppins. Yeah, poppins, then bold, set it to bold, this bold, that's it. So bold. So I'll click on the skyscraper, the same thing, hold options, then drag the arrow down. Oh, okay, then do this. Let's say I want to write a description. Okay, let me just say, okay, learn about your skyscraper. Let's just say learn about your skyscraper. Let's say below. Okay, skyscraper. Maybe I can change the bold. Let's just say I can change the font size. My font size is 12, so let me make it to 24. Just to know that this is my main title, 24. Yeah, 24. Okay, drag this one down a little bit. Make sure you have to work on your what spacing, just to make sure it's this thing. Okay, I gave my spacing 10. uh, Learn about this thing. Maybe I can make it like let me change the board to regular. You have to make sure the spacing is aligned. Let's say spacing should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that should be good. um okay, so we are going to talk about the so we are going to fix something on it, make it down. So let's say go back to your framework, then you move the arrow, you drag it up there, make it let's say make it this. Okay, um work on it. Maybe you can change the color. Maybe your colors can be, let's say, drag it, make sure the color, let's say the color can be mm, okay, color, let's change the color to this. Perfect. Yeah, this is color. You can use any color. It can be green, it can be red, it can be blue, but this is my color that I use. So let's talk about the alignment. You have to check about the spacing. The spacing is 31. So we can make it, let's make the spacing to be 20. So you have to hold the color, drag it, then drag it up. You have to make sure the spacing is, let's say it's 20. 20 should be okay. Um, you got to make sure that everything, you see that 7 is outside. So you have to make it, you have to make sure everything is aligned. So you have to drag it a little bit just to make sure everything is aligned. See, everything is aligned. Okay, this. Let's talk about, let's say, okay, put title, put this. Let's say confirm, or let's say buy, buy now. Okay, put it there. Change the font size. Let's put it to bold. Make it bigger. Let's say 24. Make sure everything is aligned. Drag it up. You have to make sure that it's centered. Then hold your shift. You have to click on your frame. This is it. Then hold shift with your binder. Hold it. Hold your frame. Then Command G just to group them. Then you have to click on your buy now. Then you go to your position, just to make sure that everything is positioned well. So this is your alignment position. So look at it, align left, align horizontal center. So you have to make sure that everything is aligned. So let's see, you see now it's moving. Let's see the other one. Everything is moving. So everything is perfect. From this, so this is the this thing. So we can change the color. We can change the color. Maybe you can use any of the color of this. So let me change my color to white. Let's say let's say my color should be, no, let me just change it to white for now. Um, let's see. Mm, okay, let's change my color to. Let's see. You have to make sure my color is. Let's see the white color for now. Let's see. Okay. Let's say 4, 5 something. Okay. This is the color. Just to make sure everything is aligned. Um, put the color. Then um, so I'm going to draw another frame again. Let's draw another frame again. So I'm going to make this side big, just to make sure everything is covered. Um, I'm going to, so this is another frame. So this is my color radius. So my color radius, I can just say 8. 8. This one is color radius. Let me just say 8 too, just to make sure. So this one, you have to make sure that all your images, your title, your descriptions, and everything must be at the same center with these ones. So you have to make sure that everything is at the same center. You understand? Okay, so let me try and move it. Okay, just to make sure everything, but you have to make sure everything is on center. So you have to drag it. Okay, I know everything, but I'm going to fix it. So let's make it, let's drag it. Okay, let's say this. I have to make sure everything is, let's make it as 16. Okay, 16. Let's drag it just to make sure everything must be aligned. So let's make it like this. So I'll give it to like, let's make it 8. I'll drag it down, drag it up, drag it up, drag it up. Let's give it like 4. So you move this, you drag it there. Yeah, let's give it like 1, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20. So you have to work on the frame. You can drag you have to make sure everything is centered. Okay, so 16. See, see this. You have to group them. You see, everything is not aligned. So you have to make sure that everything must be aligned. You can say that the upside is 16, the left side 27. So everything is not aligned. So you have to make sure that everything must be aligned. But you can say that the downside is aligned. So everything must be aligned at the same circles. So just keep watching me. Make sure that everything must be aligned. Okay, that's it. So you click on this. You can add any images on it just to make sure. So you want to add images, you have to go down to your cursor. You see when they say action, so you click on it. Then you can see all your list of things that you want to add. You can go to Upsplash, click on it. It will show your any images on it. So you just, let's say skyscraper. Maybe to show some images about skyscraper or not. So you click on it. It is skyscraper. So you click on skyscraper. Yeah. So this one. So this is more like some basic parts of um, UX design. Anytime you want to do any of your UX design, so you have to close it. So these are some of the basic parts of view of my Figma. So I hope this is the this is the first thing I did. The first step I did for me learning UX design. You need to know the basic of how you going to add your images, your title, your text, and how to add your shapes. These are the basic things you want to. Oh, before I forget, we have to click on this just to make sure. Like this is your color radius. Just click on this, just to make sure like it's eight. It's can so something like this, or you can just reduce the text maybe, and you have to make sure. Or you can reduce. Look at the okay. This one is two. You can just make it. Let's make it like 10 or 15. Yeah, let's make it 15. You can just drag it. You have to make sure everything is centered. Yes. You have to make sure everything must be centered. You see how this thing? Or you can just go center. You have to make sure everything is centered. You have to make, or you can just drag it here just to make everything must be centered. Everything must be centered. You see how centered it is? You can drag it up. You can just say 8. You have to make sure, okay, give it like 4, or you can just make it 2, or you can make this side, let's say 16. It can be anything, 16 or 10, but just make it 16. Let's make it 15. Yeah. So that pretty much about what we do. Um, just these are the basic things of UX design. So if you're liking it, if you're liking it or you have learned something, please let me know on the comment below. Um, just to make sure everything is okay. So that's it for now. And that's it, guys. So you guys just saw what I did on my Figma. So these are some of the basic things that I've been designing. So these are it's just something very very little just for us to learn and learn together. So this is just the beginning. So if you made it this far, so you guys are the real one. So Figma might look very simple, but sometimes once you learn the basic, you can get used to it. So you can build any other thing. It can be anything like mobile apps or websites or prototypes, but we are not there yet. So we just need to keep learning. So just like I'm also learning too. So I just started this thing just to make sure that you guys should just enjoy, grow together, learn it little by little and step by step. So if you guys enjoy this little tour and you want me to design more of it, please just let me know. So I'll be dropping more tips, more beyond sketches and another more creative things. So if you guys like the video, please smash that like, hit the subscribe, and turn on the notification so that you guys are not going to miss the next video. So I'll be dropping more design contests and another more creative vibes. So the more things I do, the more things that will help us to level up our skills. So we are just getting started, we are just getting better, and we are just learning more. So and we'll keep creating every week until we get there. So if you guys are liking it, please don't forget to subscribe this button. So okay. Ah, so before I forget, Thanksgiving is coming, so I hope you guys you're having fun and you guys are staying safe outside there. Please be safe outside and make sure everything is all right. So just like I said, it's your boy Harry Boy, and I will see you in my next video. So let us keep creating. I wish you all the best. Peace.